Hello dear students, how are you all? Children, I welcome you to my online video class of computers. And now children, in our previous video we have started with our new chapter, that is chapter number 4, the internet and introduction. So now children, this is your book ICSE Understanding Computer Studies. Now chapter number 4 is on page number 56. So children, before starting with today's topic, let us take a quick recap of what we have studied till now. Children, we have discussed about what is internet, what is a network, okay? Now, next we discussed about the uses of internet. What are the uses of internet? What are the advantages of internet? Next, we discussed about the disadvantages of internet, okay? After that, we discussed few terms which are related to the internet like web browser, website, web page, home page. So now children, today we'll start with our new topic, that is search engine, and it is given on page number 62. Okay children, so now take out your books and we'll be starting with our new topic, that is search engine. So now let's get started with a new topic, search engine. Now children, what is a search engine? It is a software which is designed to search for information on the World Wide Web, that is www. Now children, suppose I ask you to make a project on the topic operating system. Now what would you do? Do you have sufficient knowledge on the topic operating system and you can make a project of your own? No? Then what would you do? Yes children, you will take help from the internet, isn't it? Okay. Now children, you will take help from the internet, and internet will help you by providing some links on the websites which are related to that topic operating system. Okay. Now you have internet connectivity. Now you have internet in your computer system. Now how would you search for the information on operating system? What you have to do? So children, if you want to search for the information, you have to use a software, that is search engine, isn't it? As its name as itself suggests that search means to find, okay, to find the information. Okay. Now how search engine will help you? It will search the web pages on the World Wide Web to find out the information on a particular topic you want. Okay, as the internet is a World Wide Web, it has a lot of information on various topics. But for particular topic like operating system, you have to look for the information on the software search engine. Now let me tell you some of the most popular search engines. You must have know it. Okay, for the most popular search engines are like Google, Yahoo, and etc. Now children, these two are the most popular search engines to look for any information. Most of us use Google nowadays to look for any information on the topic, isn't it children? So now let me tell you how you can search for any information on the search engine software. Okay, let's have a look. Now children, you know that Google is one of the most popular search engine which is used nowadays. Okay, now if you want to search for any topic, you have to type the topic in the Google search box. This is the Google search box. Okay. Now children, I have given you the example to search for the topic operating system. So what you would do, you would type operating system in the search box here. Okay, like this. Okay. Now after this, Google will open the first page with the list of various websites that contains the information which is related to the topic operating system. Now what you will do, you will click on the first few links to see if they have the information you want. So children, that is all about a search engine. Okay, now come to page number 63. Here it is our new topic, open web page using web address. Now children, each place like shops, schools, your house has an address, isn't it? So the same way a website also has an address. Okay, that address is known as the Uniform Resource Locator, that is URL. What is the full form of URL? Uniform Resource Locator. Okay, now what is a URL? It is the address of a website. It is the address of a website. Children, if you want to access any website or if you want to open any website, you have to type the address in the address bar. Now children, here I have written the web addresses, that is URL of some websites like Snapdeal. It is an online website, okay. It is also has a URL, that is www.snapdeal.com. It is the web address of this website, okay, Snapdeal website. Next, Discovery. Discovery also has its web address www.discovery.com. Okay, it is the URL, it is the web address. Next, Cartoon Network also has its URL www.cartoonnetwork.com. Next children, Google and Yahoo, they both are the search engines. They also have a web address. They also have a URL. That is, for Google, www.google.com, and for Yahoo, www.yahoo.com. Now children, if you want to access these websites, you have to type the web addresses of these websites on the address bar. Okay, now let me tell you how you can access a website using web browser. Okay children, so now I will tell you how you can use the web pages of these websites with the help of the web addresses. Okay, if you have the web addresses, you can find out the websites. Okay, so let's have a look.
Now children, to open a web page of a website, perform these steps. Step number 1, click on the web browser icon like Google Chrome. Now children, as you can see, the following window will open. Now, step number 2. Type the complete address of the website in the address bar. See children, this is the address bar. Here you have to type the complete address. Let's take an example. We want to open the website of Disney. So you will type www.disney.com. Now step number 3, press enter key. See children, the related web page will open as shown here. So children, this is how you can open a web page using a web address.
So I just hope that you all have understood how you can access any website using its web address. So here comes our next topic on page number 64. Best practices to online safety. Now children, under this topic we'll come to know what safety measures, what precautions we have to take while we use internet, while we are online. Children, we often share our personal information with our friends, but in real life, sharing our personal information with any unknown person could be very dangerous for us. Similarly, it would have suggested that while you are working online, you should not share your personal information to anyone. It could be very dangerous. Though internet helps us in many ways, but still we have to be very careful while using internet. If we share our personal information to anyone on the internet, they can use it, they can use that personal information of ours to harm us. They could harm us. Okay, so it would so you have to be very careful while using internet. Okay children, so now we'll discuss some of the safety measures we have to take while we work online. Let's discuss about them.
Now children, some of the practices to online safeties are: respect the privacy of other people. Respect other people's online right. You should not give out any personal information while using internet. Password should be changed at regular interval of time. Don't respond to any message that make you feel uncomfortable. Never share your picture or anything else. If a situation online becomes hostile, log off, and if a situation places you in fear, contact your local police.
Here comes our new topic, next topic, digital citizen. Now children, who is a digital citizen? Children, the person who who uses the technology with some moral responsibilities is known as the digital citizen. Okay, now children, while we use internet, we have to follow the moral responsibility. Now children, whenever we work online, we should know our rights and limitations. Okay, it will help us in maintaining the good relationships among the other users who are using internet. Okay, we should not do such activities which can harm others' interests. Okay, so now children, who is a digital citizen? Digital citizen is a person who protects his internet system from any mischievous activity and maintains good relationship with other internet users. Mischievous activity could be anything like illegal threat, virus attack. Okay, so you should have protect your computer system from these mischievous activities. Also, you have to maintain good relationship among the other internet users. Okay. Now children, being a digital citizen, you have to follow some moral responsibilities. Now what are they? First, keep your system safe from viruses. You should have keep your system safe from the viruses by using strong antivirus softwares. Okay, you should have installed antivirus software in your computer so that your computer can be protected from the viruses, because virus can damage your computer data. Okay. Next is avoid loading useless websites. Children, you must have avoid to load the useless websites because they can contain viruses. Okay. Don't share your personal information. You have to be very careful while you are working online. Don't share your personal information to anyone, not even your friends, not even any unknown person in the internet while using internet. Okay. Don't post any message on social networking sites that does not suit others. Now children, nowadays people are keep on sharing their thoughts, views, whether they suit others or not. Okay, whether we find it suitable or not. But you should be very careful while you share any message on the social networking sites. Social networking sites are like Facebook, Instagram, etc. Okay children, and avoid sending useless messages, unwanted messages through WhatsApp also. Don't share such kind of messages. Be careful. Being a good digital citizen, you have to follow the moral responsibilities. You have to be careful while using internet, and also you have to use the technology in a positive manner. Okay children. Children, we have come to the end of this chapter. Now what will you do? You will go through the chapter and you will read out the whole chapter. Okay. Now we'll be meeting soon in our next video class. Then till then, stay safe and stay home.